This is the overview about the home washing machines. So in this video, we are showing the accessories and the component of the home washing machine. It is a small capacities that we use for small families. So in here, we just show lines. So we can show the capacities here, and we show the speed. And the machine, it is at 220 volts, and this is the dimensions, and this is the total kgs. So let's look around about what we are sketch and we are sharing to explain it part by part as we sketch in the following numbers here. Okay, it's like number 1 here. It is a top cover, and you can see it step by step, like it all step by step from number 1 to number 8. It is show all the detail. Number 1 is the top cover, and number 2 it is the screen drawer. Okay, please read it step by step. I show in the pictures. Oh, it show all a lot from 8 to 10. Okay, so this is the product from Japan. So here it is the nameplate we use. It is in Japanese language, and this is the model. Okay, here we go the key feature for more clearer to get easy for looking. Okay, this is the overall views about this washing machine. Okay, you can see the function and the components here. Yeah, this is the components and the function of the machines. Okay, please take a look. We are sketch and detail. We are tear down to view for detailed information of all the accessory of the washing machines.